Okay, sing after me. Our games have the rhythm we're looking for. Our looks have the games we make rhythm for. No, those aren't the words. Our games are imagination's roar. Imagine our games in storage drawers. So be strong, be strong.
That wasn't a B sharp.
Relax and let the music flow through you, okay? Enjoy yourself like this. Got it? Stop! Stop it! Stop flowing! I can't. Okay, break time. Go and be somewhere else. Right now, please.
Altering the pitch of recorded voice. The ethics of auto-tune are long and complex. The story begins with a regular tape recorder and an artist called Lois the Deceiver.
Nova, why am I in a lecture instead of learning how to sing?
I just thought maybe instead of learning how to sing, you could learn to pretend to sing.
Nova James, a musical mischief moment. The cheery tunesmith wants her student to cheat using auto-tune.
Is that as weird as I think it is?
It is weird. I think she's just used to talking to a camera.
I don't want to cheat.
No, Bubbles. Bubbles, please don't cry. It sounds dreadful.
What exactly is wrong with the way Bubbles sings?
Her voice is scratchy, the notes go on forever, she wonkifies lyrics, she's way too loud and crazy emotional.
You know I'm still here, right?
And is there any type of singing where those would be considered good things?
Oh! Rock opera. Rock opera means big emotions, big hair, big everything. It's
Music in its rawest form. An opening of the heart so wide that only enormous truth can emerge.
You need to invite Ishi. I always sing gooder when McLaren's around, because it shows her I'm best. I'd forgotten how much I love having people who understand the demands of fame, the stresses, the need for up to the second fashion.
I hate that crew member with the pinched nose. It's like, do you know you smell already and your nose is holding itself?
Hey, Nova, who do you hate most on the ship this week?
Huh? Nova Jones don't do hate.
What? Come on, we won't tell.
Hate's for haters.
I mean, I don't want to be the one to say it, but if you don't hate anyone, maybe it's because you're the one everyone hates.
McLaren.
Nova!
My sister. I got her a job in the office and I think she's bad.
And you made her work for the boss. Nova, you are mean.
I love it. Look, who am I?
That's hilarious. Look, I can do it. Ready?
Nova, you're being mean! McLaren doesn't even wear glasses! Nova, talk to me!
I have to pretend I can't hear you. They'll think I've got an invisible friend and make fun of me.
What's wrong with having an invisible friend? Some of my best friends are invisible. Why are your friends so nasty?
It's totes of jokes. They're just burning off celebrity steam. And when I join in, they like me. Mean girls rule! Woo!
Mean girls don't rule. They drill. And they should be banned from the swimming pool.
You managing me? That's what'll be amazing. Promise me you'll do it?
Of course I will.
And you'll put up with me no matter what I do?
I promise you, if you go too far, I'll stop you. Deal?
Deal. And now we'll never talk about this time again. I remember everything. My family. McLaren. Sid. Captain. McLaren again.
Her personality's completely back.
Nova, you're you. I may be a super mega ultra star, but a super mega ultra star is nothing without her super mega ultra team.
Nova Jones, there's only a couple of minutes left at the end of another captivating adventure. Perhaps before...
Spotlights!
Get up here!
I want you to sing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're singing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're singing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're singing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got my family. They bring out the best of me. And you know there's nowhere I'd rather be than with you all next to me. I could lose my mind, forget who I am, lose all sense of time, leave myself in your hands. But you pick me up, make everything alright. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Let me hear you sing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're singing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're singing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're singing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got my family. They bring out the best of me. And you know there's nowhere I'd rather be than with you all next to me. I know you got my back. Catch me when